Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the culinary wonders of Indonesia. And what better way to explore Indonesian cuisine than by unraveling the secrets of Ikan Bakar? It's not just a grilled fish, it's a flavor-packed journey. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're ready for a mouth-watering adventure. Now, let's discover the unknown facts about Indonesian Ikan Bakar. Ikan Bakar origins. Ikan Bakar's history goes way back to the 8th century when traders from India introduced grilling techniques to the Indonesian archipelago. Over time, it has evolved into a local delicacy with diverse regional variations. Unique marinades. The secret to incredible Ikan Bakar lies in its unique marinades. Indonesians use a blend of local spices like turmeric, lemongrass, and candlenut to create a fragrant paste that infuses the fish with rich flavors. Wide range of fish. While you might think Ikan Bakar is all about one type of fish, the truth is, it can be made with a wide range of seafood. From snapper to mackerel, you'll find Ikan Bakar made with various types of fish, depending on the region. Regional variations. Indonesia's diverse culture and geography have led to countless regional variations of Ikan Bakar. In Bali, you'll find the famous Ikan Bakar Jimbaran, known for its sweet and spicy marinade, while in Sumatra, Ikan Bakar Padang is fiery and rich in coconut milk. Grilling techniques. The grilling technique is crucial in making Ikan Bakar truly special. Whether it's using a traditional wood-fired grill or modern gas grills, the choice of equipment can significantly impact the dish's taste. Sides and condiments. The magic of Ikan Bakar doesn't stop with the fish. It's often served with an array of delicious sides and condiments, such as sambal, vegetables, and rice, turning it into a hearty, well-balanced meal. Cultural significance. Ikan Bakar isn't just food, it's a part of the cultural fabric of Indonesia. It's often associated with celebrations, family gatherings, and ceremonies. The act of grilling fish holds deep meaning in many Indonesian communities. Street food delight. You can find Ikan Bakar as a popular street food throughout Indonesia. From busy market stalls to beachside vendors, it's a beloved quick bite that locals and tourists alike can't resist. The banana leaf wrapping. Many traditional Ikan Bakar recipes involve wrapping the fish in banana leaves before grilling. This not only infuses the dish with a unique aroma but also keeps the fish tender and moist. Social experience. Ikan Bakar is not just about the food, it's about the experience. It's a social activity where friends and family gather around the grill, creating cherished moments as they wait for the fish to cook. Sustainability. Sustainability is a growing concern in the fishing industry. Many Indonesian communities are embracing sustainable fishing practices to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy this beloved dish. Must-try variations. If you're planning to explore Ikan Bakar in Indonesia, don't miss the must-try variations. In Lombok, try Ikan Bakar Taliwang, known for its spiciness, and in Java, savor Ikan Bakar Bumbu Rujak, a sweet and sour delight. Healing spices. Indonesian Ikan Bakar often features a variety of spices that not only add flavor but also boast potential health benefits. Ingredients like ginger and turmeric, commonly used in marinades, are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Traditional tools and techniques. Many traditional Ikan Bakar recipes rely on age-old tools and techniques. The use of a traditional tempurung, coconut shell, or pincuk, banana leaf cone, for grilling adds authenticity to the dish. And there you have it, folks. The hidden secrets of Indonesian Ikan Bakar. It's not just a dish, it's a reflection of Indonesia's rich culinary heritage and diversity. The next time you savor this delectable grilled fish, you'll appreciate the centuries of culinary evolution behind it. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your food-loving friends. And remember, the world of food is vast and filled with amazing stories. Until next time, keep exploring, keep eating, and keep smiling. Stay tuned for more exciting food adventures right here on our channel. Goodbye.